The World Cup has 48 teams this year. Most fans know that part. What almost nobody understands is how 48 turns into 32 and why that number is about to confuse you for the rest of the tournament. Here is what is actually happening. 12 groups of 4 teams. Each team plays 3 group games. The top 2 from every group go through automatically. 12 groups, 2 teams each. That is 24 spots. Simple so far, except 32 teams advance, not 24. So where did the other 8 come from? This is where it gets messy. All 12 third-place teams across the entire tournament get ranked against each other in one single table. Different groups, different opponents. Doesn't matter. FIFA compares them anyway. The best 8 third-place teams in that table also advance. The bottom 4 go home. Finishing third in your group used to mean you were out. Not anymore. Now it might still be enough depending on what every other third-place team in the tournament did. The ranking is decided by points first, then goal difference, then goals scored, then a conduct score based on yellow and red cards, then world ranking if it's still tied. FIFA removed the old coin flip tiebreaker entirely. In 2026, nothing is decided by luck. Every single one of those tiebreakers exists because someone, somewhere, is going to finish level on everything else. Here is the part that actually breaks people's brains. The round these 32 teams enter is called the Round of 32, not the tournament, the round. Past World Cups went straight from the group stage into the Round of 16. This year, there's an entire extra knockout round before that because there are simply more teams left to eliminate. Round of 32 does not mean 32 teams are in the World Cup. It means 32 teams survive the group stage, which is more than double what used to survive in the old format. This isn't actually new in football. The Euros use it. AFCON uses it. The World Cup used something similar between 1986 and 1994 when 24 teams competed and the best 4 third-place sides advanced. FIFA just brought the idea back, scaled it up, and gave it a name that sounds like it should mean something it doesn't. The bracket itself isn't even fixed yet. Because the third-place qualifiers can come from any of the 12 groups, the actual matchups depend entirely on which groups those 8 teams happen to come from. The full draw only locks in once the last group match is played. Until then, broadcasters are showing you a bracket with question marks in it. And that's not a graphics error. That's literally how the format works. One more thing changed because of all this. A team that wins the whole tournament now plays 8 matches total, 3 group games, then round of 32, round of 16, quarterfinal, semifinal, and the final. That's one more match than every World Cup since 1998. More teams, more rounds, more chances for a team to lose in week 1 but still be playing in July. 48 teams, 12 groups, 24 automatic spots, 8 third-place wildcards, 1 knockout round that didn't exist 5 tournaments ago. The math works. It's just never been explained to anyone watching. The bracket locks on June 27th. Ask us again after that. The game has not changed. The format around it clearly has. Subscribe if this finally made sense. You're welcome.